Kernel Document Converter is an all-in-one utility that lets you view and convert various documents showing on your screen. The tool makes it easier to manage large data files with smooth and hassle-free conversions. It supports single or batch processing without any unexpected errors. Users can open, preview, and verify content before converting it into different formats on your screen. Embedded with high-end algorithms, Kernel Document Converter provides a more accurate and quick solution while maintaining data integrity. How to view and convert document files. Launch the Kernel Document Converter. You will see the home screen with the file upload page. You can choose single or multiple file formats to convert, such as doc, DOCX, RTF, TXT, HTML, ODT, and PDF. Also, you can opt to select all. Now, to add the file, click on Browse under Choose File, Drive or Folder. Then, choose the file and click on Select. To upload bulk files, click on Browse under Choose Files from PC. Choose the folder in the PC and click on Select. The selected files will appear in the list below. Here, you can check individual files or select all for batch processing. Click on Add Files to load them into the tool. Once files are added, you can also add more files from different format. Upload more files by clicking on Add Document File and repeating the earlier steps. To remove a specific file, check the file and click on Remove Check Document File, and then confirm the process. The selected file will be deleted. Now, if you want to remove all the files, you just need to click on the Remove All Document Files option and confirm the action. Choose any file that you want to preview before conversion, check the file and click on the View option. Wait until the document is loading and then preview all its contents. To convert the files, select one or multiple documents, choose the desired output format from the drop-down, then click Convert. Wait for the conversion process to complete. The tool will notify you when the files are successfully saved to the selected destination. Transform your document management with Kernel Document Converter, fast, accurate, and reliable. Try it today and see the difference for yourself. Visit our website to get started. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.